First, let's build a quick visual. On the left, we have action cameras. On the right, we have drones. In both markets, firms compete on features, price, brand, and service. The key is to craft a strategy that is consistent and realistic. Now, here are 4 statements about crafting a strategy to be competitively successful. One of them is not true. We'll examine them one by one. Statement 1. A firm should differentiate with features that customers value. Statement 2. A firm should pay attention to cost efficiency. Statement 3. A firm can ignore customer service because the technology sells itself. Statement 4. A firm should align pricing and branding with its target segment. Statement 3 is the incorrect one. Even with great technology, customer service and after-sales support are vital for long-term brand loyalty and competitive advantage. Ignoring them is a recipe for failure. Thus, Statement 3 is not true. Let's evaluate Statement 1. Differentiation matters because customers compare options side by side. If one camera has better stabilization and battery life, it often wins the sale. So Statement 1 is true. Now Statement 2. Even great products can fail if costs are out of control. In competitive markets, you must manage production, logistics, and overhead to maintain profit. So Statement 2 is also true. Statement 3 says a firm can ignore customer service and after-sales support. This is the suspicious one. Action cameras and drones are technical products. Customers often need setup help, firmware updates, and repairs. Bad service hurts reviews and repeat purchases. So Statement 3 is not true. Statement 4 talks about aligning price and branding with the target segment. This is absolutely correct. Premium brands can charge more if the quality and image match the price, while budget brands must highlight value. So Statement 4 is true. Let's recap. Statement 1 is true because differentiation helps customers choose. Statement 2 is true because cost control protects margins. Statement 4 is true because pricing and branding must fit the target buyer. Therefore, the only statement that is not true is Statement 3. Final answer. Ignoring customer service is not a viable strategy in competitive action camera and drone markets. Great job! The key takeaway is that competitive success requires both strong products and strong customer support. In fast-moving technology markets, reputation can be just as important as innovation.